Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by ensuring power and isolation. Charge the controller to at least 30% or plug it in, and move phones or headsets away so they don't steal the signal. Next, power on your Xbox or PC and open Bluetooth settings or the Xbox accessories app so you're ready to accept a connection. Press and hold the controller pairing button until the light flashes. This puts it in discovery mode, which is required for devices to see it, and start the actual handshake. Once the controller is discoverable, select it in the Xbox Bluetooth list, or on Windows choose Add Bluetooth or other device, then Wireless Controller. If you're on PC, make sure Windows updates and drivers are installed so the adapter recognizes the controller. A wired USB connection will also trigger driver installation. If pairing fails repeatedly, perform a soft reset. Hold the pairing and Xbox buttons for 10 seconds to reboot the controller. Complete the setup by checking the controller light stops flashing and that button presses Move menus. That confirms a successful link. If you still can't connect, plug the controller in with USB to force recognition, remove the device from Bluetooth lists, and attempt a fresh wireless pair. Make sure your console or controller firmware is up to date and swap batteries or use a charged pack. Low power or outdated firmware are common causes of flaky connections, so update and retry before deeper fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.